Tyon Grant-Foster could be a star for the Gonzaga men's basketball team this season. As if the NCAA lets him play. SWX's Austin Getz joins us now to talk about where things stand. Austin, I know you were trying to go to court, but you're here with me. What happened?
Absolutely. We're used to court, talking
Different
about
court.
the McCarthy Athletic Center, but this battle is being fought in the courts of Spokane, or maybe not. So what was supposed to happen today, there was supposed to be a hearing at 3:30 this afternoon for the Spokane County Superior Court to hear the eligibility waiver argument for Tyon Grant-Foster. Now, here's the timeline if you're not caught up. Back in the summer, Tyon Grant-Foster, who played the last 2 seasons at Grand Canyon, announced that he would transfer and commit to Gonzaga. Now, the entire time, everybody involved knew that Tyon would need a waiver to play because technically he had played 4 seasons, I should say, in 5 years. Now, it's important to note that one of those seasons he played just 1 game, really 1/2 of 1 game, before collapsing on court and having to be resuscitated. He has a heart condition, arrhythmic cardiomyopathy, that kept him off the court the rest of that season and all of the next while he had to deal with heart surgeries and getting back ready to play. Now, thankfully, he was able to play the next 2 seasons healthy at Grand Canyon, but technically he had exhausted his 4 years of eligibility, which is why he needed this waiver. While that waiver process was ongoing, I should say, Tyon was granted a waiver to practice with Gonzaga, not to play. That was a couple weeks ago, so that's why he was at Craziness at the Kennel, because that's not technically a game, and why he was able to practice the last couple weeks. Last Friday, the NCAA ruled that his waiver was denied, and that set this legal fight into battle where Gonzaga's and Tyon's attorneys wanted to have this case heard, him versus the NCAA, in Spokane County Superior Court. That is the hearing that was supposed to happen today. Then this morning, the NCAA filed a motion to push that into federal court. They are arguing that their eligibility rulings cannot be challenged under Washington state law. It has to be argued under federal law. Now, the important thing to note is right now, as of this very moment, we do not know when that federal hearing is going to take place. We don't have a date or time, but there is a very important deadline coming up. October 28th, which is next Tuesday, is the deadline where Tyon would need to be on scholarship to play at Gonzaga. Now, I want to caution everybody here, as the attorneys have told the Spokesman Review, they don't know what would happen with this case being delayed past that October 28th deadline, if there would be some kind of special exemption made to allow Tyon to play if the hearing takes place after that and rules in their favor. So, Bradley, it is a very fluid situation, a very developing situation, but as of right now, the hearing that was supposed to rule if Tyon would play or would not get to play was supposed to happen today is not happening.